All right, question 11 on the Chapter 6 quiz was probably the one that I had the most questions about via Remind, the day of the quiz, and probably the most commonly incorrect. So let's read through it. The length of human pregnancies from conception to birth varies according to a distribution that's approximately normal. That's important. And the mean pregnancy is 266 days, and the standard deviation 16 days. Choose 2 pregnancies independently at random. So I think those of you that asked me this question, I called this P. So P is going to represent pregnancies. We know it's normal, and we know the mean is standard deviation. So everything's really going to be based off of this distribution P. So in question A, what is the expected difference in the lengths of the 2 pregnancies? Difference means subtract. And the fact that I'm picking 2 of these P's, it's going to be P minus P. So I'm going to call this new one D. So the difference is going to be P, or pregnancy 1, minus pregnancy 2. Now this is a combination of random variables, so who cares it's the same distribution? That doesn't matter. I just remember my rules. If I'm subtracting to get the new mean, and that's what A is asking for, the mean of the difference is going to be the mean of P minus the mean of P. Sorry, I should put little P's up here. And I think a few of you kind of freaked out because 266 minus 266 gives you a difference of 0. So the expected difference in length is 0, and that's okay. That means this new distribution D has a mean of 0. So eventually down here in C, I'm a little ahead of myself, my distribution for the difference, the center, is going to be 0. That's okay. Standard normal also has a center of 0. However, this part B, the standard deviation, is not going to be standard. So for a standard deviation of the difference, the formula we use, so sigma D, is going to be the sum of the variances of P. So sigma squared P plus sigma squared P, and then find the square root. And you do that, you get, so meaning 16 squared plus 16 squared, take the square root, the mean difference, or sorry, the standard deviation ends up being 22.627. So here I have a normal distribution where the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 22.627 days, meaning on average the difference from the mean is 22 or 23 days, we'll say. And then in C, now we're going to use this normal distribution with this mean from part A and this standard deviation from part B to find that the difference in lengths is greater than 25 days. So what's the probability that this difference is greater than 25 days? Now, most of you drew a line here above 0, labeled 25, and shaded to the right because it's greater. But that's only half of my solution. So the difference being 25 days, this 25 is 25 days over the mean of 266, or 26 days longer, if that makes sense. So a longer pregnancy in the difference. I also need to include, I'll pick a different color here, even though it's not really mentioned, I also have to show that that difference could be less than 25 days, the other extreme. So here I was looking for 2 tails. So to calculate this, you could have done 1 minus the middle, that X. Or you could have calculated the tail, the right tail, which most of you did, and just multiply it by 2 because of the symmetry here. Either way works. I'm going to bring up my calculator. Okay, so I just brought up my calculator. I paused the video for a second and I brought up my calculator. So as you can see, I could have done a norm CDF of the upper tail, which is what most of you calculated, and you got 0.135. And in my response to your quiz, I said you only have half the answer. So you would have to multiply that by 2 to get the area of both tails, the red and the blue. Or you could have done 1 minus the center, that blue X I made on my screen, and you still get that same probability. So if you had a little bit slightly error there, it's probably because you only included one tail. And this was a two-tailed test. So your work here should look something like this. The probability that you get a difference in pregnancies that's more than negative 25, or, oh wait, I'm backwards, sorry. Right, I want the difference to be greater than 25, so it could be less than that or more than 25. And then I would just do your calculator speak, norm CDF, yada, yada, yada. I'm writing with my finger. And then the area you get is 0.269.